Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious grilled chicken salad at home. We'll start by preparing our chicken. For the best flavor and tenderness, marinate your boneless, skinless chicken breasts for at least 30 minutes. Aim for pieces around 6 ounces each. Remember to pat them thoroughly dry before they hit the grill. This crucial step ensures a beautiful sear and prevents the chicken from steaming, giving you that perfect golden brown finish we all love. Let's get cooking. Now that our chicken is prepped, let's get it on the grill. You'll want to preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal cooking. Place the chicken on the hot grates and grill for about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Always check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer to ensure it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, let it rest for 5 minutes. This keeps the chicken wonderfully juicy. With our perfectly grilled chicken ready, it's time to assemble the salad. Start with a base of crisp greens, like romaine or a spring mix, then add your favorite fresh vegetables such as vibrant cherry tomatoes and cool cucumber slices. Next, slice your rested grilled chicken into half-inch strips or dice it into bite-sized pieces. For the dressing, a simple homemade vinaigrette with olive oil, vinegar, Dijon mustard, and a touch of herbs works beautifully. This combination creates a refreshing and satisfying meal. Finally, let's talk about serving and customizing your delicious grilled chicken salad. Always toss the salad with the dressing right before you plan to serve it. This keeps your greens wonderfully crisp. Feel free to get creative with toppings. Adding creamy avocado, a sprinkle of crumbled feta cheese, or some toasted nuts can elevate the texture and flavor profile significantly. This versatile recipe is fantastic for a healthy lunch, a quick weeknight dinner, or even as part of your weekly meal prep. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.